Good morning, everyone. Myself, Reeth Rupanii. I am a numerologist and holistic healer and director of Reeth Universe, that is Counseling and Healing Therapy Center. Friends, this video is regarding my journey in Sampark that is really close to my heart. I started my healing profession around 3 years back and I was looking for more opportunities to grow my business. Then I joined Sampark around 2.5 years back and started my journey as a visitor host. And in this way, I started guiding people about the core of Sampark. And then I was really an introvert person, but with the journey my communication skills improved, my personality got enhanced, and then I became the joint secretary in Sampark and taking more responsibilities. It was helping in growing my business, created my brand, and even got new referrals, connections. In all the ways Sampark was helping me out. And then step by step, with adding members, I became the gold club member, then the platinum club member, and with adding 50 to 70 members, I became the diamond club member in Sampark. And after that, it was never stopping, and I got more dedicated, and even Sampark was helping me out. And one day I was honored with the post of support director in Sampark through our directors, and that was really a grateful moment. And then I started working for all the chapters of Sampark, and this was really great happening for my business and around everywhere. And now I am ready to take Sampark to the next level beyond the city. And currently I am having the strongest connections of all the expertise in various business categories. I am really grateful to Sampark for helping me out in this journey in my success. There is major role of Sampark and the entire directors. I am really grateful to all. Thank you.